Hey everyone, welcome back to Great North Gardener, the channel dedicated to helping you cultivate your own little slice of paradise. Today, we're talking about adding some serious wow factor to your garden with fast-growing, flowering trees. Whether you're just starting out or looking for that perfect statement piece, we've got you covered. We're going to dive into 9 incredible species that will bring bursts of color, delightful fragrances, and maybe even some curious critters to your yard. Ready to grow something amazing? Let's get started. All right, kicking things off with a real showstopper, the Eastern Redbud. Just as everything starts waking up, bam! These vibrant pink blossoms explode all over the branches. Seriously, it looks like something out of a fairy tale. These guys are tough cookies, thriving in zones 4 through 9. Just make sure they get plenty of sunlight, at least 6 hours a day, and you're golden. Oh, and did I mention they attract butterflies? Talk about a win-win. Trust me, your garden and the butterflies will thank you. Next up, we've got the Crepe Myrtle, the queen of long-lasting color. From fluffy, vibrant blooms in shades of pink, purple, red, and even white, to that gorgeous, almost peeling bark, the Crepe Myrtle is all about drama. This beauty is best suited for warmer climates, thriving in zones 7 through 9. Like a true sun worshipper, the Crepe Myrtle needs at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Just make sure it's well draining and you're good to go. Plant a few together for a real explosion of color, or let one shine solo as a statement piece. Either way, you can't go wrong. Imagine a tree with flowers that look like tulips. Yep, you heard that right. The tulip tree, also known as the yellow poplar, is a true head-turner. These majestic trees can shoot up to impressive heights, adding a sense of grandeur and verticality to your landscape. Tulip trees are surprisingly low maintenance and grow happily in zones 4 through 9. Those stunning tulip-shaped flowers can be a little sneaky to spot at first, often hidden amongst the leaves. Keep your eyes peeled in late spring, and you'll be rewarded with a sight you won't soon forget. Time to talk about a tree that lives up to its name, the golden rain tree. In late spring and early summer, it erupts in a cascade of bright yellow, delicately fragrant flowers that look like they're raining down from the branches. Adaptable and easy to care for, the golden rain tree thrives in zones 5 through 9. They're pretty tolerant when it comes to soil conditions, but they definitely have a thing for sunlight. One thing to keep in mind, those beautiful seed pods that follow the flowers can be a bit messy. If you're looking for a tree that will bring a touch of whimsy and sunshine to your yard, the golden rain tree is the way to go. Let's be real, who doesn't love a cherry blossom? They're like the ultimate symbol of spring, renewal, and, dare I say it, romance. The flowering cherry tree comes in a variety of stunning cultivars, each with its own unique charm. They thrive in zones 5 through 8, and like most flowering trees, prefer a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Give them what they need, and they'll reward you with a breathtaking display that will make your heart skip a beat. It's like a fleeting moment of pure magic that makes it all the more special. Alright, time to talk about a tree with a big heart, literally. The southern Catalpa is known for its massive heart-shaped leaves that create a lush tropical vibe in any landscape. In the fall, they turn a beautiful golden yellow, adding a touch of warmth to the changing season. In late spring, it graces us with clusters of showy white flowers that resemble orchids. These beauties are tough as nails, thriving in zones 5 through 9. They can handle a variety of soil types and are relatively drought-tolerant once established. Just give them a sunny spot and watch them flourish. If you're looking for a tree with a big personality and even bigger heart, look no further than the southern Catalpa. Now for a tree that's all about understated elegance, the flowering dogwood. Its delicate star-shaped flowers in shades of white or pink create a sense of serene beauty that's simply captivating. Flowering dogwoods are relatively small in stature, making them perfect for smaller gardens or even as understory trees beneath larger specimens. They prefer partial shade to full sun and thrive in zones 5 through 9. Just make sure they have well-drained soil and you're good to go. If you're looking for a tree that exudes elegance and sophistication, the flowering dogwood is the perfect choice. Get ready for a sensory experience like no other with the Sweetbay Magnolia. This southern belle is known for its intoxicatingly fragrant, creamy white flowers that perfume the air with a sweet, lemony scent. Its glossy evergreen leaves create a lush backdrop for those stunning flowers, and the undersides of the leaves have a beautiful silvery sheen that adds another layer of visual interest. While it's often associated with the south, the Sweetbay Magnolia is surprisingly hardy, thriving in zones 5 through 9. It prefers full sun to partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. If you're looking for a tree that will tantalize your senses and transport you to a southern paradise, the Sweetbay Magnolia is the way to go. Last but not least, we have the Korean mountain ash, proof that good things come in small packages. This compact tree is perfect for smaller gardens, or even large containers, making it a versatile choice for any landscape. In spring, the Korean mountain ash bursts into bloom with clusters of delicate white flowers that attract a flurry of pollinators. Those flowers give way to vibrant red berries in the fall, providing a feast for birds and adding a pop of color to the autumn landscape. As its name suggests, the Korean mountain ash is known for its hardiness, thriving in zones 3 through 7. If you're looking for a small tree with big impact, the Korean mountain ash is an excellent choice. So there you have it, folks, 9 fast-growing flowering trees that will transform your yard from basic to breathtaking. Which one of these beauties will you be adding to your garden? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Great North Gardener channel for more awesome gardening tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening.